Okay, we're going to make this safe for Thanksgiving for my favorite customer. And that's going to prep us for next season, whereas I'm going to saturate this, and this will have plenty of time to dry out. I'm going to saturate this in Penafin. Yes, I'm going to use Penafin Gold penetrating oil, color mahogany, with a few shots of dark oak or something similar to give that some help. All of this face here was painted with, this is all mahogany, semi-solid, mahogany semi-solid latex Benjamin Moore Arbor coat. These top planks, to bring these back into their full glory, these top planks are mahogany. Not really mahogany, it's actually Batu, B-A-T-U. It's actually Batu wood. But this will sand and look like $1,000,000 with the same penetrating oil that's going on this deck. And every few seasons, we will, actually every other year, if not every year, we should put a coat of oil on this, because this deck was a restoration project. It was an absolute splintered disaster, but there was so much meat. There was so much meat on the bones that we were able to sand it with 20 grit or even 16 grit. I think we started with 16 grit. Here's the planks that are going in. We sanded it with 16 grit, and then we finished with like a 36. You don't want to be too smooth with pressure treated decking or 2x6 decking like this. You want it to be like 36 or 40. Otherwise you're polishing the pores and you're ruining your porosity. The stain won't go in. Yeah, we got some more planks to do down here. We got some more planks to do down here. To be exact, we have 6 16-footers to do down here. So we're going to pick from the worst ones and get those taken care of. So that would be 1. This one's a real shame. It's always the hard ones to get to. 2. 2. I think this is a third one. I don't like that there's one ready to go in front of a door. 3. 4. I got 6 of them so we could do a wish list. 5, 6 will be on the wish list. The last 2 are on the wish list.